In this video, I'm going to show you how to make background transparent in Photopea. First of all, open your Photopea project that contains the image whose background you want to remove. There are several methods available, but I will explain the most efficient ones. On the left-hand side toolbar, you will see selection tools such as the Magic Wand tool, Quick Selection tool, or Object Selection tool. Right-click on that tool icon to reveal all available selection options. If your image contains multiple elements and you want to isolate one specific object while making everything else transparent, select the Object Selection tool. After selecting it, click and drag around the object you want to keep. Make sure the plus icon appears while selecting so that the tool correctly identifies the subject. Once selected, you will see dotted lines, also known as marching ants, around the edges of your object. If the selection looks accurate, you can press Ctrl+J on your keyboard to duplicate the selected object onto a new layer, effectively separating it from the background. If the selection is not perfect, click on the Refine Edge option at the top of your screen. This will open the Refine Edge workspace where you can improve the selection. Use your mouse scroll wheel to zoom in for better precision, and hold the spacebar while dragging to move around the image. In the top left area, adjust the brush size and keep the hardness at 100 for clean edges. In this workspace, white adds to the selection and black removes from it. If a part of your object was accidentally cut out, select white and paint over that area to include it again. If an unwanted area is still included, switch to black and paint over it to remove it from the selection. Continue refining until the edges look clean and accurate. Once satisfied, click OK to apply the refine selection. If you skipped Refine Edge because the initial selection was already accurate, simply pressing Ctrl+J will extract the object onto a new layer. For images that contain a single clear subject, you can also use the Magic Wand tool or click on Select Subject at the top of the screen. If you are not using Photopea Premium, you may see an advertisement during this process. After the subject is selected, separate it from the background as needed. To confirm transparency, go to File, then Export As, choose your preferred format such as PNG, and save the file. When you open the exported image, you will see that only your main object remains and everything else is transparent, and this is how you can make background transparent in Photopea.